Hi, this is Dr. Fryer, and I'd like to show you how you can copy the link to a post that you have made on our Seesaw blog and then turn that in with Google Classroom. So I've logged in here to Seesaw, and I can see that right here I've got a globe with the color blue, and that means that it has been posted to our blog. And so what I want to do is click over here on the right side where it says blog. And then this is the link to go to our blog. And when I click on that, I should see my post here. And there it is beside my name. And if you don't want to scroll down or whatever, you can also just come down here and click on your name, and that will filter. So it's only going to show you your posts. And the place that you want to click is right here in the bottom right corner. It has these three dots. And when I click on that, I'm going to choose Share Item. And that is going to give me the link I need. So I'm going to click this. If you want to, I think if you click it 3 times, it might highlight. I'm going to copy that either by right-clicking and choosing copy, or I can use my Command key on a Mac and press Command C. And then I'm going to be ready for Google Classroom. And so over here under classwork, I'm going to go to that assignment and I'm going to view it. And then I can go ahead and turn it in. And the way I'm going to turn it in is I'm going to click Add a Link, because the link that I copied from our blog is the one that I want. So now I can right click, paste, or I can choose Command V. I'm going to add the link. And after the link is added, it's not turned in yet until you click Turn In twice. You're going to click Turn In once, click Turn In twice, and then that assignment has been submitted. So remember that you can find the link to our class blog a couple different places. When you're in Seesaw and you're in the journal, just click over here on blog and you'll be able to find the link here, because that's the public link you're going to want. If you don't want to go to Seesaw first, but just go to the blog, you can always go to our website, mdtech.cassidy.org. You can click on blogs, and then you will find the link to our class blog. So I hope that is helpful to you, and there it is. And so I hope that helps you be able to more easily click and find the link to your blog post.